Look, of course, this is a very worrying development that should rightly concern the entire international community. In the Indian government's blatant disregard for international law, and by revoking Article 370 and 35A, by taking away the special status that the state of Jammu and Kashmir quite rightly enjoys under international law. They are in direct breach of United Nations resolutions. And what's more worrying also is the reports that thousands of further troops have been deployed onto the line of control, and the reports around Kashmiri leaders under house arrest. And this is on top of the persecution, oppression, and the serious human rights abuses that continue there on a daily basis. The international community cannot ignore this situation, and we will be writing to the Foreign Secretary and the United Nations. They must firstly condemn this blatant breach in international law by the Indian government, but also now the international community must take this issue seriously, and we must find a peaceful resolution. But clearly what has happened there today highlights again the urgency of the matter.